Hi friends, in this video we will see another important object in the window object, that is window.location. You see, if I type window.location, you are able to see some of the properties here. So you will be having that hash. Hash means nothing but what you can say is here whatever the thing you will be having, it will come. So I will tell you, I will show you that and all. So here you will be able to see the for example, one second, I will type google.com here so that it will be very easy for us to understand. So now we have a URL of google.com, right? Now we will try to do the window.location or just location. Actually we are already in the window object, right? So that's why we can write directly location also. Now if you try to see here, able to see the hash is empty. If you want if you want to get hash or anything, hash href or something, if I try to print here, if you try to print the location again, you will get the hash as hash href. So whatever the hash, after hash it is present, you will be able to see it here. And the host is www.google.com and the host name is also the same, and href is total URL of the browser, of the Google thing, of the web page origin, so from which home page of that one. And path name is nothing but internal page or anything, we can say protocol is the, what is the protocol, HTTPS or HTTP. And we have some of the functions, something like reload, replace, assign, like this, right? So these are the properties in the location object. So for example, if you want to get any window dot location, for example, if you need anything, you can write something like location dot href. You'll be able to get the URL of the web page. If you want to get the path name also, you can get the path name. Path name is nothing but what we can say is internal pages, something like. If you have anything like slash, if you try to search JavaScript or anything in the Google, okay, if you try to search, so this is after search is total is the, you want to know the path name, you can directly write location dot path name. Okay, you will be able to get the slash search is the path name. Okay, so and also if you want to reload the page, you can write directly window dot location dot reload. You can use directly window dot location, so the page will reload it again. And if you want to open with some other pages, if you want to open with some other pages, something like bing.com or anything, you can write right location dot replace of http www dot, you can go to google.com, so that it will open the Google homepage. Okay, so these are the important properties in the location object. So as it is somewhat important in the window object, so in order to reload the page or open another page through the JavaScript, so that is the reason I explained you separately in the location object. So you can, if you want, you can try each and everything. So you can try each and everything in the location object, whatever the properties are present here. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.